Hello, everyone. This is Charles Merchant, the manager of Shri Team Entertainment, and this is in regards to the hurricane season videos that I'm about to post. These videos are in no way making fun of the destruction and loss of life caused by hurricanes. Um, I seek to bring joy with these videos. So with that said, I just pray that everybody stays safe as they prepare for Hurricane Delta and gathers the supplies that they need. With that said, I hope you enjoy these videos and thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Legit News, the realest news, sometimes. Starring your host, Charles Psycho.
It's Charles Sick, not Charles Psycho. I'm about to change my name. Changing it. Every time. Oh, hello everyone. This is Legit News, the realest news, sometimes. I'm your host, Charles Sick, bringing you your 3 p.m. edition today. Today is October 9th, 2020, Friday, and today we'll be discussing Hurricane Delta's tracking and how you can better prepare for it. Stay tuned. For this 3 p.m. update, our sources tell us that Hurricane Delta is scheduled to hit the coast of Louisiana at a Category 2 and drop down over the weekend as it moves up through Alabama into Tennessee, and then slowly diminishing as we go into the next week. Now, we're going to move on to how to prepare for this hurricane. Stay tuned. For this edition, we have a special guest actually helping us prepare. It is my little brother, Thomas Sick. Now, he's going to be gathering some of the supplies and showing you the best ways to do it. So let's go to you, Thomas. How are you doing today, sir?
Doing good, brother. I just want to help the people prepare, that's all.
Great, great.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll do some guiding, but we'll pan over to you
Alright,
so
sounds
you
good.
can go ahead and show the folks at home
Yeah.
what they need to get.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, Thomas, we need toiletry items. So, like soap, deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrush, and a toiletry bag. That's forestry, bro. We're looking for toiletry items. Next item. Next item.
Now, this next item is very important. Your water canteen. You never know when you won't have access to hydration. Make sure you fill it up at a sanitary spot. That's unsanitary, Thomas. What are you doing? No, not there. Not there. Not there. Not there. Not there. Not there. Not there.
Next, you need to pack your snacks. I can't with you, Thomas.
Other essential items include a flashlight, extra batteries, and a lighter that need to be kept in a safe place.
Thomas, that's not safe. Lord, why? Help.
Finally, boards to board up your windows and
doors. What in the world? Thomas. Thomas. What are you doing? Are you trying to steal the neighbor's boards? Yes, you.
Yes, we can see you. We can see you. Like, see you. Live. On television. 2 eyes. On you.
All right, folks. I think I got him straight. Got everything, Thomas? Great. Food, water, batteries. All right, sir. Godspeed.
I'm gonna go count down from 10 before I throttle my brother. But until then, folks, stay safe, stay equipped, and we'll see you later.